Hello, this is Ayman. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to uh, to prepare your spells as a cleric or druid. I made a previous video how to prepare spells from a spell book on D&D Beyond for wizards. Now I'm going to do the cleric. I'm going to show cleric on screen, but it's the exact same process if you're using a druid. So it's a lot simpler with clerics and druids. It's literally, you don't have to worry about spell levels. You don't have a spell book to manage spells. Just whenever you want, you can change all your spells, and you already know all of them. You have access to all the spells for your spell list. So this is a very min-max character. Just for example. So if you go into the builder, you can just do it from this character sheet, which I'll show in a moment. Go into the class tab and spells. You'll have some spells, as a cleric, you'll have some spells that are just automatically prepared. Don't have to worry about those. Basically, your domain and so on. Similarly, with like the Circle of Land Druids, you'll have spells that are already prepared based on which land you chose. Anyway, you're going to known spells. You choose your cantrips and so on. But for level spells, you can prepare each year, and again, this will be the same for druids. You prepare the list of cleric spells are available for you to cast, choosing from the cleric spell list. When you do so, choose a number of cleric spells equal to your wisdom modifier plus your cleric level to minimum one spell. Spells must be for a level at which you have spell slots. And again, this will work the same if you were a druid, and this again will also be wisdom if you're a druid as well. Apologize for not speaking very well. I haven't slept at all. I went to go see the Shazam movie. Pretty good movie. I just came back. For some reason, I just haven't slept. It is what it is. Insomnia. It sucks. So yeah, so you would just choose. In this case, I can choose 7 spells because I have 4 levels in cleric and a wisdom modifier of +3. There's a siren going on outside. Great typing. And I can choose. Like I can choose all 7 of first level or second level as I want. Now, obviously, you are limited to how many spell slots you have of each level, so you might want to think about that. So let's say I have booked that one and then that one. Then I went to my second level and chose camera motion sensibility. We can choose 4 to 7 for now. This is so that I can show you how to do it on the class. So when you go back to your character sheet, there they are. So if you're already on your character sheet, you can just go into manage spells, known spells. Sort of process here, you can just pick the one you want to use. And then once you reach your maximum, you'll see the rest are grayed out. And then when you go on your character sheet, you can see that they're now there for you to cast with. That's it. Nice and simple. It's simpler than the wizard. The wizard just gets a lot more spells to use. There you go. Yes, it is. Hope it helped.